It sucks, everybody. This, I swear to God, this sucks. Look at this shit. I'm trying to do a thermostat. Do you see this? See where that goes? That goes under there and into the fucking engine. What the fuck? This goddamn piece of shit. This little fucking $11 piece of shit, right? $11 piece of shit is gonna take me fucking hours to put in. What the fuck? Fuck you, Ford! Why the fuck would you design it like this? With that out of the way, how's it going, everybody? Today we're doing a thermostat, my minty old 95 Ford Ranger, the 2.3 and a 5-speed manual. Because if you guys, I don't know if you guys can see this here, but like you see that? That's snow. It's September. What the fuck? It should not be snowing in September, okay? So first of all, the first problem here was deciding to do a thermostat. Actually, you know what? The first problem here was deciding to live in fucking Alberta. The second problem here is deciding to do a thermostat on 2.3 liter because it sucks. I gotta pull the fan out. Well, maybe not the fan, but definitely the shroud has to come out. Hang on a second. So yeah, definitely the shroud has to come out. Then I gotta go and take this off. I just cracked this and that. Nah, it's better than the reservoir because the reservoir looks like shit. But yeah, so I'll take the shroud out and I get a better view of this. So check this out. You see that end there? That goes into the block behind the timing cover here, or the cover for the timing belt, and that's the thermostat in the block there. Yeah, it's fucking amazing, right? I love it. It's just fucking awesome. So I gotta pull this stupid fucking shroud out. I gotta drain some coolant out from that the little stupid petcock there without getting it a shitload of dirt in the bucket, because at the end of the day I want to be able to reuse this coolant because, you know, I'm a cheap bastard like that. And, it's been a while since I last made a video on this channel, and as you can see, I'm in a new place here. I got myself a shop, eh? Yeah, an actual shop. I moved. Me and my dad went half on this place. It's pretty good. We got an amazing shrine here at Ford. It's backwards because I got the phone on backwards. Yes, I'm also deciding to get a camera here. This coolant, so I have to clean this out somehow, but I don't know where the fuck my brake clean is! Because I just moved to a new shop. Check this out here too, guys. Look at this minty tool that I just acquired. Yeah, 3-in-1 shear, press, brake, and slip roll. It's minty. She's about 12 inches. Something like else, you know, I'm not really used to dealing with 12 inches there. Usually about 2.5 if I'm lucky. But anyhow, out of this whole mess here, I gotta find brake clean. There's soap and degreaser, but no brake clean. So I'll find brake clean, and then we'll see you back at the engine. Yeah! Fuck! So it appears my orange bucket doesn't want to fit underneath this little piece of shit here. So I'm gonna have to figure something else out to get some coolant out of this fucking radiator. I fucking hate working on Ford! Fuck! So I'm gonna have to figure out something else here to get that coolant out there, you know, but this is fucking bullshit! Cause I gotta drain a little bit of coolant out so don't make a huge fucking mess. Where the fuck? Don't make a huge goddamn mess when I take that stupid thermostat out. I hate fucking doing thermostats. I've never done one before, but I fucking hate doing them now. But check this out. This guy's here is minty, right? Look at that. Look how good that reservoir looks. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah. Awesome. Mint. Just fucking mint. Okay. Problem solved here, right? I hope so. I don't know. It's gonna be kind of sketchy. I would never want to crawl under here, but check this out. Fucking fits now. Yeah, mint. Next thing I kind of discovered is a problem here. As you see, they got that crossmember. You can see the bucket down there. You can see the petcock, but there's a crossmember and steering linkage there. So that's not gonna work now, is it? No. Things like this. Ah, here we are. Mint. So here's the high-tech system I've divulged here. It just goes down into that bucket from that funnel, and quite simply all we gotta do is theoretically just extract the fucking... Oh, this is gonna be another problem. Well, that's great. Well, like Archimedes said, give me a big enough lever and I shall lift the world. So we're just gonna get some leverage on this, hopefully not break it. There we are. Look at that, like a beautiful fucking hooker. I don't even know. At the end of the day. So we just, I don't know if you can see that down there. I'm just slowly letting out some coolant. Whew. Okay, we'll let it do its thing down there. And hopefully we don't overfill the bucket. Yeah. Okay, so we definitely got rid of some coolant there. Open her a little bit more. And get her kind of draining. Oh, would you look at that, eh? That thing does not actually come out. That's nice. That is nice to know. I also like to say that my high-tech system of a funnel into a bucket seems to be working very well. That seems to be empty. As well as that radiator's getting down there too. That's not a very big radiator, so I would imagine it wouldn't hold that much coolant because there's not a lot of coolant down there. So yeah. Okay, so the next step in this process, after you get your coolant drained, you're probably gonna want to pull it out. Take the fucking fan shroud off, because that is gonna be essential to getting your fat fucking meat hands into the goddamn area where the thermostat housing is. The only problem that I can see now is how in the fuck am I gonna put a gasket on there? I'll just put some light stuff on, I guess. But yeah, see where the fuck this goes. Maybe I can squeeze the bottom rad hose. No, fuck it. And just open her up. Hope we don't spill shit everywhere. That's all the coolant that rad holds. Jesus, look at that. That's some kind of color. It's kind of green, kind of orange, kind of, I don't know. Okay, so my dad stopped by, and of course I'm just an apprentice, right? So he stops by, and he's a fucking master technician there. We got that neck off, and it looks kind of grimy down there, but whatever. This came off right here, and what we figure was happening is, as you can see, there is no seal on this. And focus. There is no seal on this, whereas the new one has this black seal. Yes, we just tested to fit. That's why it looks like that. So the thermostat might not necessarily be fucked. It just might be bypassing around it because this truck never gets hot. It only goes up quarter way on the gauge, even in the winter though. Like, it's not the gauge, it's fucked up. It's the other day it got really cold. I let it run for 15 minutes and never really got hot inside the cab. So, what I'm thinking is either this is going to fix the problem or not. Either way, new thermostat goes in, and if the gauge still is fucked, I will go ahead and I'll run a new sending unit or whatever it is, right where the old one goes in, and I'll run that into here and put a gauge in there. Okay, so removal, or fucking trying to clean this gasket off here is just a pain in the fucking ass, man. Like, why the hell is it like this? Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like, it's just terrible. You see that? It's terrible. It's all over the place and I can't get it off. Fuck! Well, this video sure is going to turn out to be real random. Anyhow, that's the best I can really get. It's not great, but then again, yeah. So we got some of the right stuff here, and we're just gonna smooth that on the edge here, and put her back on, and hopefully everything works. It doesn't leak. So yeah, see you then. Well, that was a major pain in the ass. As we can, there we go. The neck's on there. I don't know how much of the right stuff I got on there, but I think it's good. Thermostat's in. I gotta put the heater hose, sending unit, all that jazz back in, and hope for the best. Okay, it's all back together, and only a few wrenches were lost into orbit. Anyhow, this is gonna be a weird video because it's only gonna be like 14 goddamn minutes and like something like that. It should only be like 15 minutes. But it actually took me 2, maybe 3 hours to get this done because it's a fucking dirty Thermostat and I hate it. Okay, I got most of it done. I got some coolants in there. As far as I know. Fuck you, air compressor! Fuck you! Okay, shit's back together, right? Coolant's in there. Fucking. Where's the key now?
Born a little bit sooner, so I don't.
Keys in there. Okay, so coolant's put in there. Keys fucking in here. Hope for the best. Oil pressure, all that jazz. Heat. Water. Yeah. Okay, she's running, and I'm pretty sure I put the wrong coolant in, but fuck it, that's all I got. At the moment, gotta bring up the temperature so that thermostat opens up, so let's engage the high idle. AKA me, with the bloody. There we go, do this for a little bit and see how it happens. We got the patent pending high idle stick engaged. She works mint. She's adjustable too. So fuck yeah! So she's been running for a little bit here. Doesn't that look beautiful? That's why you should never mix green and red. This looks amazing like that, eh? But yeah, she's been running here for a little bit. Got a little bit of temperature in her, and I'm gonna see what happens. So, we're about 3 hours into this project, and as you can see, I put the thermostat in. It's been running for like decent time, and it's actually running colder now. Oh, well, fuck. I don't know. Fuck it. Okay, so we got the Ford Ranger here, everybody, right? And I keep looking at myself on the camera. Anyhow, we got the Ranger here done, and we put the thermostat in, everything, and it seems to be that the sending unit is actually the problem, because the gauge doesn't really read that high on here. It only reads to, it's still pretty cold. It's like the same spot as it was before, and it fluctuates. So I don't know if how it's working or something. Maybe the sending unit's different, or that's just where it normally is. But it blows pretty fucking hot in here. 60-70 degrees Celsius in the vents is what I got with this here thermal gun, or whatever the fuck you would call it. You know, lasers, thermostat shit. And yeah, no, it just gets super hot, and the radiator it's normal operating temperature. So 180 degrees Fahrenheit is like normal operating temperature for a vehicle, car, right? And yeah, it runs just fine. It's not overheating or anything. The only thing is building heat seems to be an issue sometimes, but I think just because it's a small 4-cylinder, that if I let it run for 15 minutes, it's still going to be cold. Like, as soon as I get in and I drive it for a little bit, then it actually warms up. So yeah, stay tuned for the next installment of fixing the Ford Ranger. We're definitely going to try to get a blacksmithing forge going up too here in the near future, and possibly a project I'm looking at for this winter. So like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, even though it's going to be really super random. Yeah, see you in the next one.